Hello EPSCoR researchers. Today I'm going to talk about the methods section of metadata. So I'm in my data folder, I'm in the metadata record under the methods header. And the first step here is the resource lineage. So this is where we're looking for details about how the data set was constructed, so how it was collected and on what kind of equipment, and then if there was any transformation to the data, how and through what kind of software. The general idea here is not to have a methods section as would be in a scholarly paper, but instead to have a user-friendly review of what the creation process was for this data set. So if you do cite an established method in your field, that's perfectly fine, but try not to make it a parenthetical citation. Instead, reference it in full and add it to the additional fields section as well for further consultation by a future user. The process step is very similar. So if you did anything to your raw data, this is where you would record what those steps would look like in broad overview at least, if not in more specific overview. For example, data was transformed using tidyverse software in R. If you are aggregating multiple sources of a historical data, source data section is where you would include that. And the data quality reports are where you would describe anything that you did to ensure the completeness or accuracy of this data set. So anything like an instrument calibration or automated check process. And if any data were excluded from your data set, this is where you would note why. I hope that overview helps. As always, reach out to us with any questions. We would be happy to help.